Sorry. Go back. Go. What's up guys, Steve Chen here. Welcome back to my channel. It's the end of November. Today we are back here again, Wachusett. Let's fish for Lakers. Guys, I couldn't believe my eyes. This is the smallest Laker I've ever got. Wow. Wow. I guess that's what happened before. Sorry. Go back.
Wow, it's a tiny one.
Yeah, it's like just 2 times the length of the lure.
Yeah.
It's folding the lure. I guess that's what happened before. Like, I feel like I hook up something.
Yep.
And as soon as I hit the ledge, it got off.
Oh.
That must be the fish.
He came back.
Yeah, that's why it feels like not fighting at all. That's too small.
Still counts.
Yeah, no skunk. Got one, guys. I think I lost it. Oh, little cute Laker. Hey, got one. See you. Back. Oh. Go. Oh. Oh. He's there. Fish on, guys. That's a Laker. Get the hook out. Right. Whew, not a big one. Still, go. Here it goes. Alright guys, no more bite, and it's really cold out here. Air temperature below 30, a little bit windy. Gladly, no skunk today. I guess that's it for this season. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I'll see you next year at Wachusett.